Hello, friends. In this video explains how to factorize quadratic equation by factorization method. Welcome once again. Here, quadratic equation, 3x squared plus 7x plus 4 equals 0. This is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Degree of this equation is 2. 2 zeros. Middle term, sum is 7. Product is 12. Getting product. Product is multiply coefficient of x square and constant. 3 into 4. 12. Now find the factors of 12. Think, what are the two numbers to multiply to get 12?
12 ones are 12.
Right, but we subtract or add these factors not give the result 7. Any other?
6 twos are 12.
But there's some also not get 7.
Okay, then 3 into 4 is 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7.
Good, this is right. Friends, we have to take 3 and 4 as the factors. When we add 4 and 3 will give 7 as sum. Now we can split the middle term. 7x as 4x plus 3x. 3x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 4 equals 0. I repeat, getting product, multiply coefficient of x square and constant. Next step is grouping 3x squared plus 4x and 3x plus 4. We can see that x is the common in first two terms. In next two terms, there is no common other than 1, so 1 is the common. X into 3x plus 4 plus 1 into 3x plus 4 equals 0. 3x plus 4 into x plus 1. 3x plus 4 into x plus 1 equals 0. 3x plus 4 and x plus 1 are the factors of quadratic equation. So 3x plus 4 equals 0. Therefore x equals minus 4 divided by 3. X plus 1 equals 0, x equals minus 1. So, x equals minus 4 by 3 and x equals minus 1. Friends, I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and press like button.